All right, so I have picked through and weeded through, and I put all of the M.2 SSDs, which it's easy. It's a dead giveaway. If you've never looked at them, M.2 SSDs will always have 2 notches. They'll never, you'll never see an NVMe drive with 2 notches, to my knowledge. And now all these are 500 gig, and they do range from, like this one is Micron, you know, Intel Optane, which these have the 32 gig of cache and then 500 gig of flash storage. What else do we got up in here? Intel, Micron, Kioxia, let's see here, Toshiba. What's this guy right here? I don't see a brand name on this one. Product of Korea. Yeah, I'm not sure. But I am selling these as all mixed together. In the beginning, I started making a different SKU for every single NVMe drive or every single M.2 drive, but that was slowly, or actually not slowly, but that very fast got out of control because there's so many different SKUs, so many drives. Obviously some drives are worth more, some drives are worth less, so that's why I have it as like a semi-lottery system. And I have them split up by NVMe drives and then M.2 SSD drives. I'll get the SSD drives listed up here soon. The current price on the M.2 NVMEs, I believe, is $19 a piece. Let me pull it up here. But I did want to offer you guys, if you are watching this video, let me pull it up, hold on. If you are watching this video and you've never been over to the web store, you can go over to www.bc-pc.com, and then you can hit categories and scroll down to storage drives. And yeah, 500 gig NVMEs are $19 a piece. I am gonna leave a coupon code down below in the description, and it is gonna knock off $1.50. I don't have much margin in these, but I'm trying to do a quantity situation because we're moving volumes of these, and we're gonna have volumes of these coming in every single week. So yeah, this might be a good thing. If you're a flipper, also reach out to me, and yeah, we can make something happen. But regardless, I just wanted to put together a quick little video about this because some people did have some questions, and it pretty much reigns true for the 1 terabyte as well. They are sold out right this second, but I should have more of those coming in. They're at $32. The coupon code will not work for them. I'll have a separate video and a separate coupon code for them when they come back in stock. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, thank y'all for coming out. I was originally having to crystal disk and test each and every single one of these drives, but I have negotiated out with the recycling center now that they have to clear and flash every single one of these drives before they can get rid of them. So they're already like plugged in and powered up, and I was like, hey, could you run, you know, a health test on them and just see what the drive health is before you pull them out? And they were like, yeah, that's no problem. I do have to pay a little bit more for that, but it saves me a lot of labor on my end, especially since they're already plugged in on their end. So all of these drives are guaranteed above 90% health. Most of them are actually testing at 95 and up percent health. But if you do have an issue with them, especially like if you just plug it in and it doesn't work, like everything else in my store, within the first 30 days, it's basically no questions asked. I do record the serial numbers before I send them out. And that's worked as a good system to deter people sending back almost identical stuff and trying to get it, you know, swapped out. Now in this situation where I have so many different ones, people aren't able to be like, you know, they don't know exactly what they're getting, so they don't know what to buy to send back. That's been a common scam here in the past for like graphics cards. So they would buy, you know, a Strix 3070, and they have a bad Strix 3070 at home, they'd send that one back to me, but I have that serial number and then that serial number doesn't match. So yeah, I think that's a non-issue on little M.2 drives. But if you have any questions, comments, concerns, I'd love to hear them. Drop them down below in the comment area. And then also about pricing. Some people were asking me, am I going to be, you know, splitting up Gen 3 and Gen 4 drives, and are those going to be priced differently? And potentially in the future they will. For right now, I'm just trying to get through and make sure we can keep up with quantity. Yeah, because I don't want to have like hundreds and hundreds of drives sitting and keep buying them for no reason. If they're not selling, then I need to slow down buying them. But oh well. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, y'all have a good one. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.